Here we're going to look at multiplying two square roots. Now when I see maybe something like v to the third, I think, hey, I could split that up as v squared and v. But notice if I try to reduce this one and try to reduce this one, then I put them together, maybe I'll end up having to reduce again. So it probably makes sense to put them together first. Also situations like 15 and 3, can't reduce those. But notice if I start combining this all under one root, 15 times 3 is 45, maybe I can reduce that as a square root, simplify it more. So v to the 8th, right, v to the 3rd times v to the 5th, and then x to the 1st times x to the 4th. And then 45, I can't take the square root of 45, but I can take the square root of 9, which is a factor of 45, so I could split up 45 as a part I can take the square root of and a part I can't. I can take the square root of v to the 8th because I have an even number of them. I can do v to the 4th times v to the 4th to get v to the 8th. And then there's not an even number of x's, so I can only do x to the 4th, and this one will be left behind. So here's all the stuff that I can take the square root of. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of v to the 8th is v to the 4th, because v to the 4th times itself would give you that. And square root of x to the 4th is x squared, because x squared times itself would give you x to the 4th. And then the stuff that's still stuck under the square root is just the 5 and the x. So I like to do the stuff I can take the root of first, and then everything else is left underneath it, just because that's the better looking order to write them in.